afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope your day has been positive and productive thus far. But today I'm coming to you with my fall 2020 bathroom tour. Now I'm going to let you see what I implemented in my bathroom for the fall, as well as what colors I use. But I want to thank you everyone for the messages of the love and support. I've been kind of MIA in front of the camera for a little while, but I had a severe reaction to some of my meds that had me where I wasn't able to be in front of the camera. So I'm back, hopefully in lieu of other things going on. But enough of that talking. Thank you everyone that still like the videos. My son was actually getting the videos edited and out. I appreciate him very much, but I thank you all for still dropping your comments, thumbing up the video, and sharing it as well. All right, enough talking. Let me let you see what I done for my bathroom for the fall 2020, and I'm going to do my usual. Once I let you see it, I'll explain it, but I'll be right back at the end. For my fall bathroom, I brought my pumpkins, and I actually wanted to implement that orange color. So I have my orange pumpkins here. These are my DIY rhinestone candle holders in my DIY vase. I just added that leaf, and I actually DIY'd the leaf, and it's from the dollar store. I added some Total Dazzle gems on it and some of that rhinestone. I DIY'd this vase here as well, and I just added in that orange mesh there, but you can see my DIY leaf. There's my other pumpkins and my mirrored tray holder, I'm sorry, mirror candle holder And that is that Rise I DIY with those orange and gold pumpkins. Now here on the top, I just added in that Total Dazzle rhinestone and that brooch I purchased a few years back. My candle holders, and I just added in those Dollar Tree sprays, and these are the sprays that they brought out this year about 4 or 5 months ago, or maybe a little longer. I would say I got it right before pandemic time, and that spray in the middle with the black in it, I bought that last year from Roses. I added in my 2 galvanized rhinestones pale candle holders with that pumpkin, and I just have those orange sunflowers in there with those 2 orange and white buffalo check pumpkin on the candle holders. I also included a pumpkin on top of my candle holder here. I just turned the candle holder upside down because I wanted that pumpkin to sit that way. My curtains, I have the black, silver, and white up. This will change if I can get those orange curtains in. And here, I just added my orange and my coral florals inside of my white vase that I DIY'd with those 2 black lanterns that actually have a pumpkin in it. And I just dressed up my tiles with that rhinestone. All right, everyone, this is my fall 2020 bathroom tour. Be on the lookout as we reveal the rest of my home for the fall. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed what I created in my bathroom space for the fall 2020. I hope it gave you some inspiration. Drop me a comment if you like what I've done, and also leave me a comment if you would like to see me tweak some things, and or if you would like to see me do something a little bit different, because I got something else in mind. And to everyone, I want to thank all of my old family members for continuing to rock out with your girl. Thank you so very much. To my new family members that come on board, I appreciate you becoming a part of the Sparklers family. And if by chance you're still watching this video and you're not a part of the Me, Myself, and DIY and the family, why don't you hit that subscribe button? Make sure you do hit that bell 2 times. It will turn blue and you'll know every time that I do upload a video. Please make sure you look at my about section to get what days that your girl is uploading content on this channel. And before closing out, please don't forget to check out that other channel, the Decor Lady. Starting Tuesday of next week, you will start seeing content coming on that channel every week as well. So please make sure you check out that channel. I'm dropping all of the links down in that description box of our channels, plus a few channels I do want you to follow and support as well. All right, and you know your girl cannot close out without always letting you know this one thing: to always, always, always be positive, so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye, everyone. Stay blessed and always stay positive.